Blessings to my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. Now the big uproar that is happening in Jamaica right now. Why is the police not wearing body cams? It's what every Jamaican asks right now. And recently we hear Andrew Onessa say the police them never wear any. Including Mr. Horace Chang as well. And that doesn't sit well with a lot of Jamaican citizens. There are a lot of protesting happening right now in Jamaica. Some of viewers, wherever you are, if you're watching me on your TV or on your mobile device, well, just pre them clip here. So remember the golden rule, you know, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend if you tell a friend. Over here, so we highlight everything where happen with current affairs in Jamaica. Some of you as man, I got to do too much talking in the video. So just stay tuned and watch out the entire clips. So, you don't know anything going on. Boom.
Alright, Mr. Dr. Horace Strong, I just want to ask you something. I don't girl just one question a thing about you. So, you said the police, they cannot wear a body camera, right? So, just like how them going to the youth house up a place the other day, the youth hold up him hand, them shoot him gun, you know, rank stack him house and all of them something there. So, you say when the bad man them see the body camera a come, them a go run. So, you want to tell me, say, the body camera them have a light on them, so the light so bright. So a stadium ball player put on the police them. So why a body camera would have on a light on it? And a body camera is supposed to just pick up somebody when you reach up to them. The body camera is supposed to have in a sensor. If you know, say when you reach up to the person, if you flick on for you see who you attack, if it's those camera. So what kind of body camera gonna make with bright light? That's police. The man them are gonna see the police them before and shoot the police them. Then what kind of camera have them the bright stadium light? I never see camera with light yet. Me just see camera.
To another primetime news follow-up now. Vlogger Jeffrey Richards and music producer Javi Ambassador Morrison were offered bail when they appeared in the gun court today. But the attorney representing Richards is again questioning why his client was charged in the first place, but believes justice will be served in the matter.
My client is anxious to get back to his life. You know, a day in incarceration is like 1,000 years.
Attorney Isaac Buchanan speaking with journalists outside the Supreme Court Friday, moments after his client Jadee Richards, more popularly known as Jeffrey, was granted bail in the sum of $1.5 million. Javi Morrison, who is also charged in the matter, was granted bail in the same amount. As part of their bail conditions, the men are to surrender their travel documents, report to the police 3 times weekly, and
there was a curfew order as well as an order not to discuss this case on social media for both men and their entourage or persons closely related to the case. And we returned to court again on the 8th of July.
The matter stems from a shooting incident which unfolded at an after-carnival event on April 12 at the Randy Williams Entertainment Center in St. Andrew, where 3 people were shot, including Richards. Reports are that a physical altercation developed between Richards and Morrison, which escalated at the event, leading to an exchange of gunfire. Richards was charged with possession of a prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, shooting with intent, wounding with intent, and using a prohibited weapon to commit a felony. While Morrison, wounding with intent, using a prohibited weapon to commit a felony, and assault occasioning bodily harm.
I'm just happy that the judge would have considered all of the issues and bail was offered consistent with the Bail Act.
With his client set to return to court on July 8, Mr. Buchanan, who remains appalled that he was charged, again questioned the message being sent.
While it is that we understand that Jamaica is a high crime society, there are messages being sent, whether it be the wrong one or the right one, in terms of how it is that a person is to protect themselves in an environment where life is something given to us without knowing we are to receive it. You don't get a do-over in matters such as this.
Police will not wear body-worn cameras. It's a crazy idea. We can't have like law and order and justice and them thing, the dog. Really?
Andrew Holness, good evening, sir. My name is Damian Cavallo. In America, they call me Wolf G. Good evening, sir. You know, sir, when I come to your vulgar or none type of anger, because it's not an anger we are at right now. We at a space in life right now which we are in. Do you have a formula to fix back the country? Or do you want a formula to fix back the country? However, I have a formula that we can use because I am in America right now as a Jamaican and I'm running off a whole entire community, which is the Amish community. They give me mad love. And I get a formula from them and they apply their community with a nice formula which we have in no crime. Only time somebody died over here is this of a car, it's somebody off of their horses and buggy, but they got a formula that they use and they stick with that formula and it's a great community. I have that formula, Mr. Andrew Holness. Please reach out to me, Wolf, the main Cavallo. I got 4 businesses in America and couple lands and I want to embark this formula towards you. I don't want to start up a gang and I don't want to be a gang member. I want to see a better Jamaica. That's all I want. So if somebody know of him or somebody want to implement this formula, tag Mr. Andrew Holness and give him my attention. Tell him we need to talk. Wolf G. Push.
Jamaica. A lot of people always say to me, why me go so hard pan JCF? And them say it seems like I am a criminal sympathizer. You see? I support no criminality. And I am not a part of any criminal organization. And I would never. I support law and order. But when the crime, whether by gunman or by police, if it never reach your doorstep, you will have a different tune. And let me tell you something. The boat crime has came to my doorstep. Not 1 time, not 2 times, not 3 times, not 4 times. Yeah? I have an encounter with gunman. And I've encountered with police. But, there is a but. JCF is here to protect and serve. And JCF is here to take out the criminals. Whether, if you catch them and then no shootout, you bring them to the jail, you process them, you charge them. If there is shootout, JCF has the full backings to defend themselves and to secure the community and to protect the citizens. But Jamaica, where there is fuckery by JCF, we have to speak out. So now come over here and tell me, say because me I talk about JCF, the criminals that infiltrate JCF, that me support criminality. You see what I mean? Some of JCF members them have too much ego. Now JCF, the young man I drive, we all make mistake driving. Right? You pull up to him in your private car. You police boy, you me a chat to. You pull up to him in your private car. You say, Batty boy, oh you a drive so. You style him. You don't give him man, you don't give him man the opportunity to say, sorry. You style the man as Batty boy. The man say go suck your mother. The man don't know say you're police, you're in a private car. Anyway, you pull over in front and jump out, you say police. You flash wherever you flash for sure say you're police. Right? The man realize you're police. You say ID. The man give you the ID. Now, him not break no rule, you know? Him not break no rule. You take the man ID and tell him, say, if you follow you go a station, for him get back him ID. The young man drive and follow you to the police station. What you do? You hold on upon him ID and lock him up. And make the young man sleep in a jail overnight. For what? You call the man Batty man and the man say go suck your mother. Does that warrant that you take the man go keep him in jail till the next day? and then let him out, tell him go on him yard, him for respect police. But how you know the bumbo cloth respect for the citizen? Are you pull up and style the citizen, JCF? Are you pull up and style the citizen? Some of the police boy have too much ego. And then, when the citizen don't like you, and when things happen to you and the citizen them celebrate, you call them criminal sympathizer. No, you is making things bad. You is letting the citizen don't like you. A time for you to do better, JCF. I said so.
Yeah, so all along when the money I say the body camera too expensive and them have to go source them and set up system. All along I lie them I tell. So this man just come out and say him not allow the money for wear body camera, the police and for wear body camera. So you see them boy take people feed that. Them take the world Jamaican people and feed that, you know. Them boy have to come out of power and never see back no farmer power. Because in this modern 2026 there's no way, no government and no other country could I look on the general population and tell them that immediately them have to run out of office. But only in Jamaica, because guess what? Everybody out there so they sit down and take everything. Them fool they are going like say they own Jamaica. Oh no meaning and now make the man them wear body camera. Then if you wanna say correct and the man them in a fierce gunfire with police, why would not hide it? That means to say all along you do the wrong thing, you hold the man them and murder them then. Because if you're not afraid for sure the proof, that means something wrong. So that means to say every operation where the police end up and I saw shoot out, that means to say I lie them I tell them. Because basically that I tell you say, you know, the man them I tell lie. You understand what I say? Every time you go up on an operation and kill a youth, that means to say I lie them I tell them. That means to say the people who are demonstrate and always have a different side of the story. Right now, what we now say right now confirm the people in the story, you know. Say all along these people are bad for murder, are true them attack. So all of them 100 man they want to kill for the murder for the year. That's why I don't want to wear a camera because they not go and murder the youth them. You see me I say? I don't want the proof. So that's why I don't know. Because the only other reason that why I wouldn't want to wear the body camera. Come on, you think so we are fool? We are not dunce. You see me I say? We are not dunce, you know. Because this is the thing where they vindicate and they say, alright, yeah, see for them side of the story. Yeah. You see me I say? But here we go on, me tell you go on, man. You don't behave like Jamaica, fool no one, you know. Yes, but the whole of you so have to go run left it, you know. Remember me telling you that. Because judgment are coming now. When you think God asleep, the whole of you have to go run left it. So you say, who not run, cancer and start to unknown disease that can jam out some of your ass until you drop down and dead. Because I feel like God asleep. Because pay fuck me sooner the brother. And go on like when I love the people when they come out the election and I run up and down in the people and community. I go on like when I love the people. I don't rate Jamaican people. Because all along when I find one bag of excuse. Boy, the camera them expensive, them this, them that. One bag of excuse. And now you finally come out. You finally come out and I say you're not allowed the money for your body camera. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm really take over fool. You know really take poor people, you really take Jamaican people for that, you know. And that you as a big minister, so you support the foolishness too. But let me tell you, man, here we go to you, man. You see, Uno and a family, terrible things are going to start happening to Uno and a family. Because you see, God not sleeping, bro. You see me I say? And you see what goes around, comes around. The reason why I not based on because I'm a fool of family or fool of friend them. I get gunned down, and that's why I can't chat them sitting there, but the table are going to turn. And mysterious things are going to start happening to Una and the family. And I'm going to start feeling for them people I feel. Because, brother, you should have lose your work immediately when you say that. Any civilized country is serious. Any minister will come out and say something like that, but you're not allowed the money for it. Brother, that should be up to you. You not go like when I want Jamaica, brother. Who not work for you, I want to think. When I behave so because I know say Jamaican people laid back and take everything. That's why I behave so. You think you could have gone in and the Middle East to try them thing that the whole 60 I would have run off. They are dead out already. I'm telling you that. Like Jamaican alone, when I can't behave them way, brother. Because that way you say that make no sense. That should be up to you. Our decision that as the public to make the man wear body camera. As a big minister, you can talk about you not allow. So you support the foolishness now. Based on what I said, that means to say the whole lot of liar then. Everything we want to say right now, we're not going to believe then. So when the people are bad for murder and anything, we're going to just work with them say. You say, I say, because prove when I show up on yourself, you know. When I show up on yourself, you know, the intelligent way, I don't even know that. But that boy, they don't race strong, you know. I never like that boy from day one, you know. He can't have a good speech. I don't know how they get fool in a position, brother. No, every time I listen to this man, I can't even explain himself properly. Where they come from? This man I can't give a good speech, brother. I never see this man give a good proper speech like them educated, brother. This country is just one big joke, bro.
Yeah. Good morning, Jamaica. The sensible people of Jamaica. And you see stupid and the unstupid fool them who believe in a pepper nose, feel like pepper nose love them, and feel like pepper nose love Jamaica. No, pepper nose love Jamaica because he getting rich out of Jamaica. Pepper nose soon gonna left Jamaica. You know? Pepper nose not gonna live here so for the rest of your life because that's why I'm a Jamaica. You see, Pepper was not interested in a nothing where to help the children of Jamaica. He interested in a things where can benefit him and his wife and his picking. Because when he send the police on the road to make more money, then he have more money for thief and for rob out of the budget, to put in the asset and in claims where you have an estate where you have in don't love Jamaica. Why, if you look at it, the stupid me attack. I can't attack with the sense because them see. The stupid them attack. Then if the man they love Jamaica, if he say he run go buy truck first, if he say he run go lend JPS 150 million US before he help the citizens of Jamaica. I wonder if you don't understand, say, the 2.5 million people there are unjust slave. Unjust slave. And you don't care about his slave. Well, it rain or where his son had to have to work to support Andrew and his wife and his two bikini. That's all he care about. And when I tell you no, when you not listen, I say check one necessary things where you know the children of Jamaica want to use or have to use. Look if it in a no man of order, or look if it running in a no man of discipline. No, there's no house stop to put on. It takes 7 months and 6 months or more to put on some house stop, and it takes less than 2 months. Less than 2 months for Billy accept that he can claim more money from the children of Jamaica. After the storm, he never hesitate. He raise every put on tax on everything where you know Jamaica people use because he need more money. Jamaica Labour Party, I the stupid me talk here. Jamaica Labour Party collect the most money from the country, name the country. Because PMP never collect for the 18 year where PMP in a power. They never collect half of the money with this here government here, Jamaica Labour Party collect. I wonder if the stupid them know that. Say 7 times or 8 times more money the Jamaica Labour Party collect more than the People's National Party. And if you no look into it, I'm going to say no. Then collect the most money and then do the less things to the children of Jamaica. Are the stupid me attack here? Me say labor right collect the most money and do the less good to the Jamaica people. Because we in the 18 years of the People's National Party, we never collect for keep dance. No. We never raise the ticket them so high. We never pressure the people them so dangerous. We never carry flour and rice so high. We try the best for maintain to help the farmer of Jamaica. And this man come. This man come and collect the Morris money and done the less things. Stupid I wouldn't talk to. And done the less things to Jamaica. Because there's no hospital. You know here stupid? And there's no road for drive. But you know here stupid? All it do is increase the police force more stronger and more better to kill off the children of Jamaica. He don't plan how to make them stop shoot. He don't plan for how to make them stop rob. Then he don't know and I tell him already, because the last time he come down which part me there, me give him 2 shots around, me show him the power, say when the youth them hungry, then go and get angry. Now him a claim to go build police station. Well, Jesus Almighty God, you don't hear the man a plan. You don't hear the man a plan for open back all part. You don't hear the man a plan for make the sugar industry get back in 100%. You don't hear the man a plan, boy, we are going to start plant rice. Me don't hear the man a plan, boy, we have to go help the farmer in Jamaica. Me don't hear the man a plan, boy, we have to go set up the hospital more better. Me don't hear the man a plan, me don't hear the man a plan, me don't hear
the people in that Ochi come to the front of the class. The police team get paid for killing out, you know. The people in that Ochi and Westmoreland, the police team get paid for killing out. It's a contract them signed for killing out in a Westmoreland and Ochi. So all of the young people in Ochi, on better stay in the yard and the mother them better keeping on the young people them, especially the boy people them, because the police them get paid to kill them off. It's a contract them signed to kill them off. You see Orestran, that evil Minister of Security there without portfolio. You see Andrew Orleans, that big nose man there, that big London Bridge nose man there, that Golden Shower man there, that $1,000 government man there. It's a contract the police them sign and them get paid to kill off the young people them in our Westmoreland and in our Ochi. So they keeping on the young people in the yard. Young people staying in the yard. Don't stray, don't come out in the community and make the police them well, you know. Because them park up in a dark corner, mask up in a black suit. Jesus God Almighty. What kind of wicked country this? Andrew only, remember you have 2 daughters. Oh.
So this brother we name Jason Mackay or Mackay or where you want name. See, now him own the security company them where do the KFC them and them place there. See? Yeah. And yesterday me I listen up on Nationwide. See? Nationwide at 5. And them a talk about the whole body camera when police are plan certain operation for wear the body camera them. I'm listen Jason Mackay, I'm listen him good. He is a police officer, he is a district constable. He is an acting member in the JCF right now. I stand corrected on that though. See? I'm going to tell you something. You see to the way how the man attack, see, the man attack like the only thing left for him say is we not going to wear nobody camera when we are going for criminal. I just that alone left just to end the conversation. The man I find there's a red light on it and criminals can see the red light from afar and that will give away the police way. Everybody and them grandmother know say all the little full camera where you go buy for about $5,000 or $6,000. We show in a black and white. When you put up in your house, the light them can lock off on it. All of them know say the light them can. All of the light them on any camera, any surveillance camera. All of the red light, the blue light, the blinking light, them all I light them can lock off. Right? Him start talk and I said them not get no training for lock off light and this and that and the man just have find every excuse why the tactical team not for wear. No, the man all go as far as said no tactical team in the world don't wear camera. Don't wear no camera. The US Navy SEAL will go for Hugo Chavez in Venezuela have on 1 bag of camera upon them. And them people that stealth mission them go on. And them have one bag of camera where Donald Trump and him friend them sit down up a set come headquarters and I watch all I soldier them camera and see what them a do. The camera them can go up on stealth mode. Them have stealth mode camera. People, let me tell you now, the JCF just decide their mind say when them a plan them operation for go for wanted man or go for one, them just now wearing a camera. See? Them just now wearing a camera. And them a come up with every excuse in the book for don't wearing a camera. But me tell you this, it's at the end of the day, any day named day, one of these prominent family or one of these politicians lose one of them little nephew or them little cousin or them little godson where they love, you're going to hear a different cry. It's a different cry you're going to hear. I understand say you have some boy out there where police need to get rid of. We know that and Jamaica appreciate that. But accountability and transparency at the end of the day is the name of the game. You understand? I see when say them can come tomorrow man in a German TV yard and come kill up German TV and give me one gun and say, yeah, German TV did a shoot off of them. Because maybe me a chat too much right now and maybe them a say we need to get rid of like a dirty boy there. You see me? And them just come shoot German TV and throw a Mountain View German TV live all the better. Him a gunman and him a this and you go hear how me this and me that. See, no camera footage for sure so me did in a me house for me toilet or shit. When them come shoot me, kill me. Yeah. German TV, I'm out.
Jamaica, me up on scene. And the people them there. The people them there here. Yeah? We not expect a 2.7 million people in our country. A whole heap of see video on the nose one of there so today. And one thing me I go tell you, know, if you can't support you when we're ready to turn up, nobody no call me if you can defend you, know. You no call me. Cause me now come no way. Everybody where there saw them me care about. Every Jamaican where there saw them me care about. People them can't sleep. The whole community shaken up. With us, with Steerfield in a Senton. And we serious. Enough of the police killing. Enough of it. And we want police to go to prison. We want police to meet the same fate. The same fate where the youths them meet, we want police to meet it. Every youth there, sir. Everybody not sure. And when they drunk, they're going to show up. The Prime Minister, you're quiet. You're very quiet. The Security Minister, you already make we know straight up. You, Arias Chang, make we know straight up. Say it is better when the police kill you them because crime rate go down. You drunk, you say that. Publicly you say that. You say you don't want them wear the body camera. For no special operation, that mean nobody enough is suing tell them kill you them innocently. Every youth to represent us today, every Jamaican, we are sending a message, enough is enough. Police now go get to go home to feed them pitney, while mothers and wives and everybody are ball. Enough pitney right now, fatherless. 105 who no killed since the start of the year. That are 105 fatherless pitney. Okay. Who no come right as a Steerfield can take out the pitney out of youth hand. Wanna take out the pitney out of youth hand. Wanna take out the man baby out of hand. I wanna carry him in a room, go kill him and his brother. And we turn up right as a Steerfield. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We want Arias Chang to resign today. The commissioner of police have to come out of this. Wickedness. We're not telling you again enough. We have had enough. We have had enough. People tired. The whole community are mourn. We're tired now. We're going to kill off all our youth them. We can't take it no more. Police officer have a right to go home to feed them family. But you can't go home to phone the people them while people mourn. We tired of it. We tired of it. It's a genocide in the country. Genocide. You murder 311. You not tired of blood. You not tired of killing a brother. And this week, youth will go up on farm work. Farm work. To provide for your family honestly.
What is this about?
The youth them beg for their life. Who come out and a name for them? We tired, Jamaica, we tired. Steerfield, not every Jamaican should have there, so. We pass 3 bus load of people at Gar Beach. We not got friggin' beach. Beach we not gone today. 3 bus load of Jamaicans naked at Gar Beach. When we gonna stand up for each other? The things that we gonna go foreign police are kill when we come our yard. So we want police are kill we, so what? So we not attack and we not say we not alive. We're tired. Enough is enough. And we want justice for the youth them. The police them from Area 5 will come here and kill the youth them. We want them to be arrested. And they need to take with them passport before they left here. 64 police. 64 they on murder charge from 2004. DPP, you better do something now. Come out of the office. Indicom already telling us that they're a murderer. Them do the investigation. Indicom not on the teeth. Indicom can't do nothing. DPP, the 64 police got prison. The families them tired.
Some of yours, if you have reached here, you don't know, you have reached to the end. So, what me have to say now? Boy, it's not pretty, and I hope the government try find a better solution to fix this crime thing here. Because you can't take off the ghetto youth them for the street and then you analyze them and all them thing there. And when you look, the JCF is like the biggest gang in Jamaica presently right now. So I hope the government do something better, because nobody now have no trust and believe in the police them right now. So my viewers, just keep your fingers crossed. Make us see if we can work out something, man. Make us see if everybody in the country can stand up together and fight against this thing here. So remember, the golden rule. Please, me beg you, work with the subscribe button for me. So I'm going to say it again. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell a friend to tell a friend to check out this channel here. This is Young T Entertainment signing out. Big up on yourself.